Okay students, we are moving on to illustration number 8 now after a 2 or 3 days break. I gave you one sum for the practice and I came to know that you people are doing it quite well compared to those which we have proceeded with illustration number 7. That's a good sign. As and when you practice further, you will be getting enough confidence to make a solution of this type of sum which are considered as base for chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. So I expect that you carry on with the work and not only with the present chapter but the previous chapter also you go for it. Okay, right now we are doing illustration number 8. For your convenience, I have already made the posting. Assets, all asset side, liabilities or liability sides, and those which are related to partners I have written in partners capital account. Shall we proceed with the adjustment? Yes, sure.
Land value is increased up to 3,50,000.
Okay. The value of land is to be increased up to 3,50,000. What is the value of land that we are having? That is 3 lakh. So plus how much? 50,000. So that gives me how much? 3,50,000. Plus here, so definitely second effect same side. By what I am going to write? Land. How much? That is 50,000. Yes, further.
And building value is increased by 70,000.
Okay, increased by 70,000. So simply I am going to add 70,000. So that comes to how much? 5,20,000. Again plus here, the second effect will be where? Same side. By building. How much? 70,000. Further.
Machinery value keeps up to 1,50,000.
Now see, important adjustment. The value of machine is to be kept up to 1,50,000. I am having 2 lakh. So minus how much? 50,000. So that gives me how much? 1,50,000. Minus here. So definitely second effect will be where? Towards the opposite side. To machine. How much? 50,000. Sorry for the interruption. Once again, the value of machine is to be kept 1,50,000. I was having how much? 2 lakh. So 1,50,000 is to be kept outside. So minus 50,000. Second effect, opposite side. Yes.
Investment value decreased 20%.
Decreased by 20%. So 1,20,000 ka 20% comes to how much? 24,000. Outside it will be how much? 96,000. Minus kiya, so definitely second effect, opposite side. To investment, how much? 24,000. Further.
Provide 10% for bad debt reserve.
Okay, wait. 10% for bad debt reserve. So 80,000 ka 10% comes to how much? 8,000. So let me give the effect of it first. 2 BDR. How much? 8,000. Further.
And 5% for discount reserve on debtors.
Now students, 80,000 minus 8,000, that is 72,000. 72,000 ka 5% you have to go for it. So 72,000 ka 5% it comes to 3,600. Minus kiya, so definitely second effect where? Discount reserve on debtors, opposite side. 72 minus 4 will give me 68. So outside it will be how much? 68,400. Further.
50% stock value decreased by 10%.
Important adjustment to be kept in mind. 50% of the stock. So सबसे पहले what you need to do? 15,000 का 50% it comes to 7,500 and 10% of it that comes to how much? 750. So 14250 minus किया the opposite side 2 closing stock. How much? 750. Once again students, I would like to explain you this adjustment. Reduce the value of 50% stock by 10%, if at all for I am right. Okay, so first of all 15,000 ka 50%. Simply do it in a calculation. Excuse me, that comes to 7,500 and 10% of it comes to how much? 750. So deduct 750 from here and second effect opposite side. Further.
Unrecorded outstanding expenses amounted to 2,000.
Okay, outstanding unrecorded. Unrecorded to क्या करना है हमें? Plus. So that comes to how much? 20,000. Second effect same effect.
Amount paid.
Outstanding expense. How much? 2,000. Further.
Amount.
Further.
Unrecorded prepaid rent 3,000.
Unrecorded prepaid rent how much?
3,000.
So definitely prepaid always be right where in assets. Prepaid rent how much? 3,000. So second effect will be where on towards the same side by prepaid what rent. How much? 3,000. Further. Okay, all clear. Students, see, this is all easy for you. There is nothing new for you. All the plus key at the same side, minus key at the opposite side, and all the things. Now, what you will be doing? You will be making a total minus all this. You will be dividing among the partners. Please put a pause. Okay, now students, the formalities which you are already knowing it. Credit minus debit equals to 3, 4, 6, 5, 0. Now the old ratio is 3:2:1 and new ratio is 1:3:2. But we are not at all interested in the new ratio, we are interested in old ratio only. So this 3, 4, 6, 5, 0 will be divided in old ratio and that comes to 1, 1, 7, 3, 2, 5, 1, 1 and so on. That too you might be knowing. Then this H minus H, but there is no amount, so we'll put this one. Then D minus D, then M minus M. All these three amounts will be written here. Finally, the balance sheet will get tallied. Okay? Now, what was the important thing to be kept in mind? This is all a simple thing which you might be knowing. Okay? So, I am erasing it right now so that we can proceed further. Okay? What is new to be decided or what is new to learn in this particular chapter? That is to pass journal entries. How to pass the journal entries? See, students, I will make it very easy for you. How to pass the journal entries? Whatever is written on revaluation debit side, once again, let it be between you and me only. Don't tell it to others. Whatever is written on revaluation debit side will be turning out to this credit side. And whatever you have written on credit side will be turning it on debit side. Example. This is considered as credit side and this is considered as which side? Debit side. So the first entry will be what? Revaluation account debit to what? Machinery. How much? 50,000, 50,000. Then the second entry will be what? Revaluation to investment. How much? 24,000, 24,000. Then next will be revaluation to BDR. Next will be revaluation to DRD. Next will be revaluation to closing stock and so on. But when we move on to the credit side, credit will become what? Debit. That means here the entry will be what? Land account debit to revaluation. That is how much? 50,000, 50,000. Building account debit to what? Revaluation. How much? 70,000, 70,000. Okay students, this is what I wanted to make you people learn in this particular illustration, that is to pass journal entries. In board, they may ask you to pass journal entries for 2 or 3 accounts only. So you need to go through it. Today there is a lot of disturbance behind, so let it go this way. Alright, so please do complete it. Solve this sum again, solve this illustration and some I will be giving for practice. All the best.